Deep in the jungle there lived a cunning monkey named Mizz-o. He loved his toothpaste. One day while Mizz-o was in the jungle, he went to see Izz-o the Lamb to get her permission to own all the Izz-o toothpaste in the world of Izz-o Land. For him to own all the Izz-o toothpaste, Mizz-o had to capture the golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste, the lucky toothbrush, and save Izz-o the kitten, and bring all of them back to Izz-o. If Mizz-o gets the golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste, the lucky toothbrush, saves Izz-o, and shows Izz-o his good deed, then Izz-o will give Mizz-o a golden tooth and he will own all the Izz-o toothpaste in the whole wide world of Izz-o Land. Mizz-o decided to carry out this mission. He went through the jungle and ran into a toad. It was Izz-o. Mizz-o asked Izz-o, "Do you have a toothbrush and any toothpaste?" "No," said Izz-o. Mizz-o said, "I am on my way to get a golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste, a lucky toothbrush, and save Izz-o the kitten." Izz-o said, "I will help you." They started walking and walking. They crossed a farm and ran into a rooster. It was Izz-o. Mizz-o asked Izz-o, "Do you have a toothbrush and any toothpaste?" "No," said Izz-o. Mizz-o said, "Izz-o and we are going to get a golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste, a lucky toothbrush, and save Izz-o the kitten." Izz-o said, "I will help you." They started walking and walking. Along the way, they ran into a fox. It was Izz-o. Mizz-o asked Izz-o, "Do you have a toothbrush and any toothpaste?" "No," said Izz-o. Mizz-o, Izz-o, and Izz-o said, "We are going to get a golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste, a lucky toothbrush, and to save Izz-o the kitten." Izz-o said, "I will help you." They started walking and walking. Along the way, they ran into a goose. It was Izz-o. Mizz-o asked Izz-o, "Do you have a toothbrush and any toothpaste?" "Yes," said Izz-o. Mizz-o, Izz-o, Izz-o, and Izz-o all together said, "You do? Is it the golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste? And is it a lucky toothbrush?" Izz-o said, "No, it is just regular toothpaste and a regular toothbrush." Mizz-o said, "No, Izz-o, we do not need regular toothpaste and a regular toothbrush, but we will take it." Izz-o said, "We need a golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste and a lucky toothbrush." After Mizz-o accepted the regular toothpaste and the regular toothbrush, he still wanted the golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste and the lucky toothbrush. Mizz-o said, "Come on, Izz-o, so we can get the golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste, the lucky toothbrush, and save Izz-o the kitten." "Sure," said Izz-o. So Mizz-o, Izz-o, 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 and Izz-o started walking and walking. Mizz-o and the Izz-os came upon a smelly area and saw the golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste and the lucky toothbrush. It was guarded by a giant tooth, a giant rotten tooth. Mizz-o gathered the Izz-os in a circle and made a plan. Mizz-o said, "All right, Izz-os, here is what we're going to do. Izz-os, you try and distract this giant rotten tooth with this regular toothbrush and with this regular toothpaste, and I will think of something." The Izz-os listened. They squirted the regular toothpaste on the regular toothbrush and tried brushing and brushing the giant rotten tooth. While the Izz-os were distracting the tooth, Mizz-o went around the back of the tooth, grabbed the golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste and the lucky toothbrush from behind the giant rotten tooth. He jumped into the bushes and heard a noise. It was Bizz-o the bear, Dizz-o the duck, Izz-o the hippo, Pizz-o the pig, and Sizz-o the seal. Mizz-o asked, "What are you doing here?" Bizz-o said, "Lizzo sent us here and we are trying to distract this giant rotten tooth and save Izz-o the kitten. She is inside the giant rotten tooth. We have to get Izz-o, the golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste, and the lucky toothbrush and take them all back to Izz-o." Mizz-o said, "Well, I have the golden tube of Izz-o toothpaste and the lucky toothbrush." "Hooray, hooray!" shouted the Izz-os. "Now all we have to do is distract the giant rotten tooth and save Izz-o," said Izz-o. Mizz-o found some red licorice and tied it around a tree to help distract the giant rotten tooth. He put the end of the red licorice on top of the giant rotten tooth so the Izz-os could pull the red licorice while the red licorice was still on the tooth. The Izz-os were trying to distract the giant rotten tooth not only with the red licorice, but also with the regular toothpaste and the regular toothbrush that they had. They were brushing, and still brushing. All 10 of the Izz-os were brushing and squirting the regular toothpaste on the giant rotten tooth as well as pulling the licorice. "We should be able to distract this giant rotten tooth," said Izz-o. "No," said Sizz-o, "the regular toothpaste and the regular toothbrush is not working. We will never be able to get Kizzo out of this giant rotten tooth," said Bizz-o. Mizz-o suddenly stopped and thought to himself, "I have a lucky toothbrush and the golden tube of Izz-o Toothpaste." Mizz-o shouted, "Stand back, Izz-os, while I put some of this golden tube of Izz-o Toothpaste on my lucky toothbrush and brush this giant rotten tooth." Izz-o said, "Brush and brush and brush. We will keep brushing until this giant rotten tooth is clean and not smelly anymore, so keep brushing." Kizzo said, hurry up, it smells in here." "Yeah, it smells out here too," said Fizz-o. I know, said Sizz-o. Then all of a sudden the Izz-os shouted, we see her! Kizzo was able to come out the giant rotten tooth and enjoy the fresh air. Hugs, and more hugs the Izz-os gave each other. Izz-o shouted, "The giant rotten tooth is clean." Bizz-o said, "Now Mizz-o, how are we going to get this golden tube of Izz-o Toothpaste, the lucky toothbrush, and the clean giant tooth back to Lizzo?" Tizzo said, "I know, I have a giant leaf that we can pull the golden tube of Izz-o Toothpaste, the lucky toothbrush, and the giant clean tooth on. Then we can pull the giant leaf to Lizzo." "Good idea," said Fizz-o. Mizz-o and the Izz-os dragged the giant leaf with the golden tube of Izz-o Toothpaste, the lucky toothbrush, and the giant clean tooth back to Lizzo. Kizzo came back with the Izz-os. Lizzo was very pleased with the good deed that Mizz-o and the Izz-os had done. So Lizzo rewarded Bizz-o, Dizz-o, Fizz-o, Gizzo, Hizzo, Kizzo, Mizz-o, Pizzo, Rizzo, Sizzo, and Tizzo, each with a golden tooth. This allowed them to own all of the Izz-o Toothpaste in the whole wide world of Izz-o Land. Mizz-o and the Izz-os live happily ever after. Mizz-o and the Izz-os say, brush your teeth every day. The end. Mizz-o and the Izz-os want you to dance, so let's dance.
My name is Cameron. This is a riddle for all you young children to giggle. Yo, yo, yo. Bizzle couldn't sit in his chair. Bizzle could sit anywhere. Bizzle had very funny clothes to wear, but he only got dressed upstairs. Bizzle had a pair of blue jeans to share. Bizzle couldn't eat his pear, but he didn't want to share. Bizzle didn't want his pear. And he would love to share. Bizzle couldn't get a lot of there. Bizzle got a grip of there. Bizzle was scared cause his hat is rare. Bizzle wasn't scared cause his hat wasn't rare. Bizzle car could go anywhere, but he didn't have a spare. Bizzle's car could go everywhere, and he had 2 spares. Bizzle thought that his shoes were tight and they wouldn't tear, but even though he put a nickel for a pair, Bizzle's shoes wouldn't even tear. Also, he paid $1 for a pair. Bizzle couldn't even spell the word hair. The teacher made him sit in the corner on a blue chair. Bizzle could spell the word hair. His teacher did not make him sit in the corner on a blue chair. to get away from all of the flare. Izz-o shouted, fair, fair, and trying to get away from all of the glare. Izz-o had too much hair. He put up a sign that said beware. Izz-o didn't have any hair, so we didn't throw up a sign that said beware. Izz-o stood up and laughed and giggled, while Izz-o sat down in a chair and enjoyed this riddle. You got to know all the other characters from Izz-o Land. Starting with Izz-o, 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 pass it over to Kizzo, Lizzo, Mizz-o, Rizzo,